This is a groundbreaking event in the heart of the Singapore. We believe the future of web is being shaped as Web3. The energy in this room is amazing as visionaries, technologists and investors gather to explore the limitless possibilities of decentralized web. Our distinguished guest speakers brought unparalleled insights from their respective corners of the Web3 universe. They shared their wisdom and experiences, painting a vivid picture of the future that lies ahead. The networking sessions were nothing short of electrifying. Attendees from all corners of the globe connected, exchanged ideas and forged partnerships that will undoubtedly shape the Web3 landscape. VCs from leading firms engaged in spirited discussions, exploring the most promising projects and investments within the Web3 space. The passion and enthusiasm of every attendee exemplify the collective belief in a decentralized, more connected future. Together, we are charting a course towards a Web3 powered world.
Hey Dojima community, how are you guys doing? We are here in Singapore. We've been here for a while. We came on the 11th, visited a lot of side events for the Token 2049, met a lot of interesting people. There's been quite a few, interactions that we've had. We've made some interesting connections with a lot of VCs and a lot of projects as well. And I'm happy to report that we've had a good traction with our own event, which was a Cosmocon, where we had partnered with quite a few co-sponsors like Kai, One Unify, Octopus Networks, and with Hypersign as well as a co-sponsor. We had quite a few panels, very strong panelists. We had the original gangsters of two projects, the OGs as we call them. We've had two more VC panels. We've had people calling up and asking that, please let us in. It's been catching so much traction that, we ran out of space, to be honest. It was fully packed. Very, very good times over here. The weather is beautiful. We are at the river itself. Wait on for more updates from us. Yeah?
Hello Dojima community. So all of you know, what we do at Dojima Network, we are bringing together all the ecosystems, all the communities together onto one unified layer. So as part of that, we are getting together the Cosmos ecosystem, and in that direction we've organized Cosmocon. We announced about Cosmocon exactly 1 month back, and we saw the overwhelmed response from the community. From then on, after announcing, a lot of other Cosmos ecosystem projects also got on board in organizing this event. So we brought together a good number of projects, VCs and speakers onto our Cosmocon event. And we had a speaker panel where we had the OGs in the industry, like the founder of Osmosis and the founder of Sommelier Finance, Zaki and Sunny. And then it's me and our co-partner, which is Vikram from Hypersign. There were a lot of VCs as well as part of the event. So in the first VC panel, we have Julia, Niloptil from Momentum Sec. And in the second panel, we were planning to organize just 3 VCs, but it also increased in number, and we turned out to have 5 VCs on the second panel. And following that, we had our presentation and the launch of the new product suite of Dojima. So in the new product suite, you have 5 products altogether. So that enables developers to deploy on the unified layer, connect to multiple chains, not just multiple chains, but all these other product suite as well. Developers could manage the whole application that they deploy on all of the different chains from this one layer. So it's going to be really awesome. And we're also announced about our future plans, about where are we dwelling in, where are we innovating. So the future is really exciting at Dojima Network, and you should check out our new updated suite of products and our future plans. Do check out, and we're going to publish an article soon as well. And for the products, we are planning a phased release. So over the next couple of months, the suite of products are going to be released along with the new innovation that we are working on. That also will be added onto our product suite. So for all those who attended the event, thank you so much for attending the event.